It was never going to be an easy game for Chelsea at Elland Road. I saw it coming when you are going to go there without a anchor man like Caicedo. I saw it coming. But then I didn't know it was going to be this disastrous anyway. I felt okay. However, Chelsea were going to navigate their way. But then having to see them fall apart at Elland Road, 3-1. Tosin has really been that defender who hasn't been consistent for a while now. Last time out, remember he held a player, Sunderland player, for more than 5 seconds while watching the player lay a pass before his teammate buried the ball. Now he made the same mistake again against Leeds United. You should be clearing that ball from that position. Let's be honest. You are not supposed to be in a position where you put your team always in tight angle. It doesn't make sense. That's why I talk so much about Konate being so terrible of a defender. You understand? Tosin is not nice that whenever you turn up as a defender, you make silly mistakes. It's not nice. You punish your team. It doesn't make sense. To whom much is given, much is expected. You should be doing better. That's the truth about it. You started well as a defender in Chelsea. You got off well, scored some crucial goals, made some defensive contributions that kept your team in the game. But then let's be honest with ourselves. If you look at your performance, how happy do you feel? But then the other departments still need to be sorted. Caicedo was largely and hugely missed in that game. That's why I say this Chelsea team needs to be disciplined. Red card is not going to help things. You're always going to put yourself in tight angle. Now, Caicedo will miss 3 games. He has missed the first one and Chelsea lost. The next one again, how is it going to be? That's the question. This United came up there, come up. And then one good thing was that Palmer returned. He was close to scoring. Very, very close to scoring. But then, unfortunately, the ball went wide. But then that was the first touch. That was his trademark placing. He was there, but unfortunately didn't hit the back of the net. Palmer is an exceptional player. He was missed in this Chelsea team. Forget that the team was doing well. There are some moments his presence would have changed some things there. But it's okay, he's back. Chelsea will have to have him back, enjoy him now that he's back. But then, discipline has to be in this team. Who knows the next player that will pick up red card and then he'll be out for the next 3 games? That's not how football is played. Use your head as a player. Use your head. Stop always putting your team in a tight angle. Chelsea, see, I'm not sure there's any Premier League team that have picked up more red cards than Chelsea this season. In Europe, not only in Premier League. So this team should be doing better. That's what I know. That's what I think. That's what I see. That's what I feel. Picking up red card like this is not acceptable. Yes. Enzo Maresca needs to go back and do something about it. And the players need to be more disciplined. They need to be more disciplined. I feel so. That's what I expect of them, yes. Let's have your thoughts in the comment section, Chelsea fans, as you dropped maximum you were 3 points behind, 6 points behind us now. Now, the margin has increased to 9. It's not a good one for a team that should be competing at the top level. Yes.